Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll first confirm prerequisites so Live Translate works reliably. Make sure your Galaxy has a supported Android/One UI build and the latest Samsung updates. Once done, go to Settings, General Management, Language and Input, and toggle Live Translate on. Allow microphone and camera permissions when prompted. Then open the app you'll use: Camera for signs, Phone for calls, Messages for text, and select Live Translate from the toolbar or overflow menu. This gets you into the feature quickly and ready to. Now you configure how translations run so the results match your context. First, pick source and target languages and download any offline language packs to avoid delays. Next, choose the right mode: conversation for two-way speech, camera for live text and signs, or call translation for supported carriers. Each mode has slightly different UI controls. Make adjustments to speech playback speed, voice selection, and text size so responses are clear. Once configured, test briefly with a short phrase to confirm audio and text align correctly. You're ready to run Live Translate and finish the task. Start a session, speak clearly, and pause between sentences so the system can transcribe and translate accurately. Make sure to save or copy translations you need and toggle captions or language suggestions when comprehension is low. If things go wrong, check microphone/camera permissions, confirm the offline pack is installed, and switch to Wi-Fi if latency is an issue. If persistent errors occur, restart the phone or reinstall the language pack to reset the engine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.